What are you doing driving my semi?
I don't know. I got lost.
Oh.
Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime.
We're unloading right now into the bins. Not sure which one of these bins is going in, but it'd be going in one of these two right here. And this is white corn. We do about half and half white and yellow. We do more yellow than white corn though. Yeah, I got stuck driving truck today, so that's what we're gonna wind up doing, I guess. Ross is driving truck also. Xavier's working for us now, so he's driving truck too. '88 Max, so I'm driving today. Simple. Drop it in the bucket. That's our bucket, by the way. That's our tester also. See, that one's a little wet. We've actually been doing pretty good on moisture. That's about the highest moisture that we've seen so far. That's really good. So now we get to go see the corn crew up in Russellville. They're a little ways away today, but still got to take trucks to them. So the three of us are here at the farm. Xavier, Ross. Xavier's working for us now and making this for the fall.
For money this time.
Oh, for money?
I'm on payroll now. That's what he said.
Oh, okay, that's what you're meaning. He helps me out a lot, not on payroll, so I owe it to him. He probably deserves to get paid a lot more than what he is, but whatever. Keeps him busy, right?
Yeah.
So we're cleaning up. I had to go to a meeting. We're just kind of putting everything up. Dumping the last truck. It's the last truck, isn't it? Yeah, we're dumping the last truck. So then we're gonna probably head home for a night and then resume tomorrow. Eventually. You want to see your girlfriend?
She's watching her Bachelor show.
Huh?
She's watching her Bachelor in Paradise show, so I won't get to FaceTime for like 3 hours.
Don't worry, we already gave him the gear.
Like 2 years ago.
Yeah, like 2 years ago. Xavier wants to correct me on something.
Yeah, he didn't give me the gear. He, actually, I took the gear. Yeah, I stole it.
out with his girl issues. Not issues. Not issues.
Hell yeah! Redneck girl back me! Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
So we got the truck out of here now. Now we're sweeping up. This, like I said, that's the last load, so we're gonna sweep all this in the pit, run it up through, and then probably call it quits for a night.
No, it's time to go home.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
That might be done. So Xavier, what are we doing?
Just chilling, waiting.
Yep, so he has to take the best truck on the farm we got, the 88 Mag up there, and someone's coming to get me because I gotta go help our bean combine get it moved, and I'm gonna start hauling beans too, since we're kind of getting farther away from the farm here. So I gotta start hauling beans, and him and another guy would be hauling corn trucks, and I'll be the bean truck driver. Great. Another day in paradise. Well, we just got down here. He just came down here and got Sean's pickup. So now we gotta go back, or go down to where he's cutting beans, pick him up, so he can bring me back, so I can take that truck back to the farm, dump it, and then come back down here, then run a grain cart and load trucks all in one. So if I get loading trucks, I'll get you guys a shot of that. We'll see you when we get back to the shop. So Sean just came and dropped me off. We're getting a semi. Now we're just trying to build the air pressure so we can release the brakes, and I can be on my way back to the farm. See if it blows any smoke. Very little. I'll see you when we get back to the farm.
Well, I just got in this truck. We're switching trucks at the field and at the farm. So I just got in this truck, and I completely forgot about the fact that this truck is an automatic, not a manual. So I got in here and I reached over and like I was gonna grab the gear shift, I pushed my foot down like I was gonna push on the clutch. No clutch there. So yeah. Anyways, they're down here picking corn at Bloods on our big irrigated field. I'm not sure how good it is yet, but we'll have to see. But so far, everything else has been doing pretty good for the year that we've had. So we'll have to see what else this year has in store for us. Dad's probably enjoying picking corn, so whatever. Not sure if you can hear that or not. That's our grain dryer. If you look back there, you can see my house. My room is on this end of the house. So guess who gets to listen to it all night? This guy. I hate wet corn. So all this grain goes up into the dry leg, back down into the hopper tank. The hopper tank then goes down into the wet leg through an automatic auger that tells it when to turn on and off, depending on how low the dryer is. Then takes it up into the dryer from that wet leg down into the dryer, then comes down into this leg here, our toll leg, up and into one of the bins. This leg here is our big leg, and the big leg basically just takes it up into the hopper tank, or we can go into the toll leg and then run it all the way up with everything else. Well, we got the old Mac again. For some reason this turbo has a little bit of a fart to it. If you can hear it, it sounds like it just sounds like the turbo's not big enough. Might have to fix that this winter. Be nice to give this thing a little TLC too. Needs it, it deserves it. Saved us a couple times, so who knows, but we got one truck down right now. That's why this one's on a semi. Usually we don't run this one during harvest unless we have to. Same thing with the yellow Mac and some of the other trucks that we got. Rolling. Got a few trucks lined up down here. Or two, really. We got Xavier and Mark are driving down the road now. The Xavier should be about ready to head back down here, and then Mark's getting ready to dump. So basically what we try to do is have 3 trucks on the road at all times, 1 sitting in the field. So basically 1 will be dumping, 2 will be driving, 1 will be sitting in the field. And then whenever we get farther away, we'll have 3 on the road, 1 in the field, and then 1 on the road. And then 1 in the dumping. But each semi holds around roughly 1,200 bushel, 1,100 bushel, something like that, just depends. And we usually don't try to stack them completely full, but I mean, like right now we aren't, because obviously we're keeping up pretty good. You can see them kind of coming down the row there, way up there. This is a pretty good sized field here. This is the one I was telling you about a while back that has that big irrigation on it. That real long one. Closing the tarp. This is easy. So this is my last load for the day. I'm gonna stay around and help clean up everything. Make sure we're ready to go again tomorrow. Dump her in there. Shoot that light's green, hit the button, let it go. Then you come over here, go to the line, hit the print button up here, release, and now all you gotta do is write your test weight and your moisture right there. So 19.9, 58.4, that's good. 19.9 was moisture, 58.4 is test weight. That's good. That's good. Take it and then we stick it in there. Now we just gotta make sure we got fuel for tomorrow for them. And then wait on the rest of the trucks to come back and then dump them so they can go home. Then probably call it good for today.
Look at him being all weird. What a weirdo. Look at that. Only way to drive a truck right there. Seat aired all the way out. It's the only way to do it.
We are in the auger cart.
Against my will.
No, I did not.
Against my will.
We are in the bean cart.
It is against his will, though.
But he figured he'd let me run it.
Don't hit the. Oh, you're already gonna wreck into something. Don't hit that post either. You're fine over here. Don't hit the post though.
How's it?
There's a post in that grass.
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna hit it.
I'm not gonna hit it.
Just go on it. Oh my.
There, no.
So, this is the bean combine dumping on the auger wagon here. A little tip of that.
Done, they're on the roof. There you go. Say something.
Hi guys. So I'm not the expert here.
Yeah, that I am.
I'm a bit
I will take the bread for being the expert at the bean wagon.
I'm a bit rusty at running the bean cart here.
We'd rather let him run the corn auger.
Let's just wait after this. That's why he came this way, dumb.
He said he was going to quit after this load.
Sweet. Stop.
So anyway, guys, that's gonna be all for today. Me and Xavier are here putting everything up, sweeping everything up and getting things ready for tomorrow. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit that bell notification button if you want to get notified where we post the video. And I guess we'll see you in the next video.